this wood we have would have been thrown away if we didn't do this with it.
Tell us about that.
Yeah, I don't think I've heard about that part of it. So the wood is actually
Wood is
scrap
donated.
wood, or it's wood that wouldn't have been used?
It was wood that would have been thrown away from cabinet shops and different businesses that all we ask for is their end cuts. And they're happy to give it to us because they know where it's going to go. And it would just be going in the garbage dump and thrown away. And so we bring it here, we patch it together, make beautiful stuff out of it. And so it's a great service to the tree.
Good way of looking
That
at it.
it ends up being a toy for a child.
A very green product.
We take wood that would be wasted. We take people's time that would be wasted, and we make a little toy so a little mind won't be wasted. He was 5 years old, and he died at 17.
Oh.
And so I had known him that many years.
So tell us that who this is named after again.
That's the toy factory, Tiny Tim's.
And
Foundation
that's
for
because you met
Yep.
this little guy. Wow.
Was in Africa. He was given a car, and he really loved the car, so he didn't want to let it go.
It's amazing.
Let's see. The second picture over there. Get a picture of him. See what's between his legs.
Oh, the car.
But somebody came up to him and said, "Would you like some sugar cane?" And he said, "Yeah." He didn't know what to do with his car.
The lady came by with sugar cane. And oh, sugar cane, that's candy.
Yeah.
And he looked at his toy and he looked at the sugar cane and put it between his legs. And Charlie took the picture. That was the picture Charlie was talking about.
That's great.
So he stuck his car between his legs and grabbed the sugar cane.
Smart, yes, you're so cute.
So they got a picture of the car. So this is pictures of people, kids all over the world. A lot of them are in Africa, a lot of them in Mexico. Alton used to play Santa Claus and go down to Mexico every year, but he would go down there several times a year. He kind of adopted Ascension, the city of Ascension. And he would go down there, he built them a hospital, he built them a school. He did all kinds of things for that community. And then he was warned to not come back down again because the cartel was really rampant in that area. In fact, the entire police force had been arrested by the federales, and they had taken over, the federal government had taken over that city. And so the cartel had his name and description of what he drove, and they were just waiting for him to come back down and kill him. Just because he was doing good for the community. So he never was able to go back down. But he did go there a lot of times, and you can see a lot of the things that he was able to do for him. So, let's go in the room back here and I'll show you what we do for, besides toys. This is a room where we keep fabric. When fabric is donated to us, we put it in here. And come on in. Let's turn the light on here for you now. So, women will come in and get fabric from us and take it home and sew it up. These are t-shirt dresses. Where you just take a t-shirt, sew a skirt on it, and you got a dress.
Yeah.
And then knit hats, you can see, and boys' pants, receiving blankets, and baby wraps where they just put their baby on the back and tie it on.
So
And,
do you have patterns and stuff so you know how to
yes,
what to do and stuff?
Yeah.
Because I sew.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then, you know, women just get the fabric and take it home and do it.
And bring it back.
Yeah, and then bring it back when it's done. So they do quilts. Here's a lot of, we've got 3 pallets of quilts out there that we've put out.
Wow.
That's so bulky, I don't know if we want to ship that all the way to
Yeah.
Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
All
Zimbabwe?
of this stuff is
But
going
maybe
to
the
Zimbabwe.
pillowcase.
Oh, Zimbabwe. And over here, these are
This is t-shirts.
finished products.
This is different t-shirts that we've been given. And these are backpacks.
Oh, yeah.
And we put school supplies in these and send them over to Zimbabwe.
So we could have people do drives to raise funds or raise donations for
Yes,
either
and
all the
we
materials or
really need
old
donations.
hats, baseball caps they don't need, or
So t-shirts
Yeah.
you've got that just have been donated, is that what it is?
And we've got a whole pallet of this kind of stuff that's ready to go to Zimbabwe.
yeah, this is a big place here. You need funds to support it all.
This is
Yeah.
nice.
Thank you, ladies, for coming
It's
to
great.
volunteer.
Yeah.
It's awesome.